Well, there it is, chugging along. Get the mixture kind of dialed in, you know. Didn't run the wideband O2 or anything, but you know, it runs. The fan's actually spinning faster than, you know, 7 RPM. It's, some frame rate stuff there. So it will definitely chop your toes off. Yeah, a little smoky on this side. Sometimes it hits. I think it's the wire to the spark plug. Oh yeah. So lift the seat. Let's take a look. But if you've seen this, you've probably seen Leno's, so you know. There it is. There's the seat warmer. Flywheel on that end. Got the oil tech box. Valve. Another flywheel back there. The other cylinder's over there. Doing the same thing. Drag joint for the water pump and the fan. PTO output for the power dump. It just goes up and down on a little dog bone there. It just stays going when it's in, but we leave the shaft out so nobody gets hurt. So throw out there and rattling around down there. Shaft drive on this baby, no chains. Big tall dip. I don't know how many gears are in there. There's some gears in there. Tail light. Transverse spring with, you know, conventionals down the sides. You can see these notches here where the U-bolts were rubbing through the frame when she was working. But, yeah, that's her current status. Running and driving. Now she's going on the trailer for the truck show.